These bird spikes are perfect for whatever application you need them for. You get a lot of them, as you can see here, and I love the dark brown color as they really blend in and they look better to me than those metal ones. I find the metal ones to be just a little too industrial for my home. You can break them down into smaller sizes, and as you can see when you get down to the smallest size, then it's really well designed with holes on each end, so you can attach these to an eave wherever you want to put them. But they are not just limited to birds. These really can keep any pests out of your garden or your yard, whatever you want. I got these because a cat is using this area as a litter pan. So I put in these bird spikes and it is working. They are still noticeable. The cat is not stepping on them, but it has already stopped the cat from using this area, which is huge to me. It has made a dramatic difference in smell and amount of bugs in this area, and it doesn't look so bad either.